Today I am going to be performing my exercise routine and I'll take you along with me. Sometimes it's so hard to wake up in the morning and work out. I think because we think too much about it, but then after the workout we really do enjoy how we feel. But so I try not to think hard when it comes to working out. Just get up and just get it done. Don't delay it. Don't think about it's gonna hurt, nothing. Just get it done. You'll feel 10 times better after it's done. So let's get that workout. I got all this love waiting just for you. I just gotta know that your love is true. Can't keep running, boy, in and out my life. Wanna be your girl, not 'cause I move it right. If I let you come inside, tomorrow would you hide? Would you be there for me when I need someone to hold? Baby, don't misunderstand. I don't want you for my man. I just need a little time before I give this to love. Don't walk away, boy. My love won't hurt you. So tomorrow I'm gonna walk you through my filled workout regimen. I know that's going to be a tough one, and incorporating homemade balanced meals is key. I put together my ebook, which is going to be available on the website, so that way you won't feel like you're missing out on eating foods that you enjoy eating on a day-to-day basis. So that book is going to be available for you. Easy to follow recipes. I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned for the remaining of the vlog.
Running out of breath, but I got stamina. Running out, close my eyes. Well, I got stamina. And I see another mountain to climb, but I got stamina. I need another lover, be mine. I got stamina. Don't give up, I won't give up. Don't give up.
Do some research on seats that won't have her feeling like she's baked. Wow. I can imagine. Look at it. If you were to sit in this seat too, look at that cushion. Like imagine you having to sit in there. You'd be high.
Warmer than it should be.
Yeah. You'd be high.
Pepe. Look at it. She's just a discoverer.
Yeah, right?
Discover, baby.
Okay. So I'm gonna just walk around and warm up, and then I'll come back here and I'll do total body workout routine. I might do it by the water.
Mom, was you about to walk around? Yeah, I mean, you know, just, yeah, I'll be here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk you through my workout routine, what I did to help me shed the pounds postpartum, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey, boo boo. What's up? You always trying to take my shades off. Performing, what is it, butt kicks, then mountain climbers, then push-ups. I like to keep my repetitions high, low. That way I can still keep my workouts intense. I'll still be intense. My workouts will still be intense, but at the same time, you know, I want to make sure that I complete the 30-minute routine. I don't want to start off high, and then burn out towards the end. So, 10 mountain climbers. 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, 5. And then I'll rest up for 30 seconds and complete 5 sets of that. That way I'm able to just keep myself at that fat burning mode. It's so convenient to have out here while it's hot. This water stays nice and cold and keeps me hydrated. So go ahead and check the link in the description to see the link for this. You're going to get free shipping. Just type in Magda. The link is going to be in the description below. Right, this is going to keep my heart rate up while I'm performing this. Again, this is a different set. High, low, keeping that heart rate up. The key to working out is you don't want to rest too long, because when you're resting too long, your body cools down, then you won't be able to pick back up and finish out the workout routine. So rest periods 15 to 30 seconds.
It's real nice and windy. It's not too hot out here. But this is tough. This is tough. But I know.
I think it's more so because you're fasted.
Yeah, I think because I'm fasted. So, and I know if I'm not as active, what happens is I don't eat like the day before. I won't eat a high carb meal because I know I'm not going to use that as energy. And today was just like, I'm gonna just go work out. I didn't think about, you know, preparing for today in the sense of eating for today. And I feel like I'm about to pass out. So this is something that I remember even telling all my clients. Always make sure that you're consuming something. If you're going to work out fasted, you're going to have a high carb meal the day before, and it's going to be an intense workout. Have some type of carbohydrates before you step out, because 9 times out of 10, if your body isn't acclimated to that type of workout regimen, you may pass out. So you don't want that to happen.
Plus it's hot, so let's get out of here.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Ready to go?
I'm ready. Oh, this water's so nice and cold too. Even standing up is like, whoa. But even knowing this is just preparing in advance and not quitting, because at the end of the day, it's all about being better than I was yesterday. So you just got to take the proper steps, proper measures. Next time I come out and do a workout, have some carbohydrates. I know better. Eat some carbohydrates.
Falling out of love with you. That's not what love's supposed to do. I'm not that kind of